Okay, so this is just going to be a quick unboxing. Got it from Cube Lube. They're a new store and they make aluminum cores, but I'm not getting an aluminum core. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, so I think I got some lubricant and some stickers, I heard. Okay, so I got this. Yeah, okay. Alright, and that's everything in here. And then the lubricant looks a lot like the Lubix bottle. And some stickers in here. And then you can see their logo. The logo is pretty cool, I think. Okay. And this. No. Okay, let's see. So they're silver in color, and they're like an atom. And then these are the colors. So we got orange, red, blue, which is a nice light blue, yellow, green, this is a pretty light green, and white, which is just white. Okay, and you can see that is their website. That's their logo. This is what their bottle looks like, and it apparently tells you how many cubes you have left that you can lubricate. The stickers seem like they're like similar to Diane quality stickers, so like kind of like pretty thin and not too thick. Maybe they'll peel a little bit, but I like the shades a lot. So there you go. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. I may or may not lubricate my 5x5 because I don't have that many cubes right now, but I might lubricate this cube over here. That's it. This cube. I might lubricate this with this stuff. I'll just have to see. I need to modify this. This is brand new. Came in my unboxing. Oh yeah, one more thing. Like my collection. I made my collection video, but my collection is nothing like that anymore. The only 3x3 I have is my Ling Young V1 that's screw modded. I have no 4x4. I have this 5x5. 2x2 I have a WIT 2 and 2 Shang Shao 2x2s. I have 2 square ones. I have a Pyraminx. I have a Magic. And that's about it. I have a couple other puzzles, but not that many at all. Alright.